Let's review some Orbitkey key organizers. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Will with the Padawan Pops YouTube channel, and today we're going to review some awesome Orbitkey Star Wars themed key organizers. So Orbitkey sent me a handful of key organizers to review this month, and I really like these products. I personally have been using one for about 2 weeks now just to make sure that it is a quality product to review, and I have zero complaints thus far. If you're not familiar with Orbitkey, they make all sorts of key organizing and desk organizing products that are going to make your life a lot easier. So like I said, I personally have been using an Orbitkey ring here for about 2 weeks now, and I'm using the Emperor Palpatine key ring, and this is just a very awesome tool. So see here, I have currently 5 rings here in this key ring organizer. It looks like 3 full size and then a couple mail or toolbox rings. And then on the bottom here, I have my car keys for my 30-year-old truck. So don't judge on the car keys, definitely judge the keyring organizer, but I love it so far. As you can imagine, these would just jingle in my pocket all the time and drove me absolutely nuts. So getting this really has been a game changer for me. Now, as you know, this is a Star Wars channel, so these are going to be Star Wars themed key organizers, but if you're out here just looking for key rings, you can forget the Star Wars portion and just see here that it is a quality product that is designed very well. As most of you Star Wars fans know, the talk of the fandom lately has been the Ahsoka series on Disney+, so this next keyring here, the Ahsoka Tano, has been my favorite thus far. You can see on the inside the detail there. The Arbesh writing on this side says, "I am no Jedi," which is one of Ahsoka's most famous quotes. See her dual sabers here on the outside? This is actually going to be my wife's keyring. She loves this one. She wanted to take it, but I told her she could not do it yet because we had not recorded these reviews, so she will be happy to know that tomorrow she can take this Ahsoka keyring out for a spin and get her keys organized as well. For my Boba Fett fans out there, they also sent an awesome Boba Fett keyring, so you'll actually see the entire packaging here. You can just slide it up and you'll flip it over and your ring is right in here, and you can just pop this out and you actually get an awesome little piece of art within each Orbitkey as well. So don't just open it and throw the box away. That would be a bad mistake because you get an awesome little artwork as well with each keyring. But this Boba Fett keyring looks amazing. So you'll see here, it's got the Boba Fett color scheme on it. Inside we have the Arbesh as well, the Orbitkey and Star Wars logo. You see the quote here is "as you wish" is what is on the inside of this. This is a must-have for the Boba Fett fans out there. We also have the Mandalorian here, which looks excellent. It's the Beskar color. Very sharp looking. It is leather. The inside is brown, as you can see. I may be hopping back and forth in between Emperor Palpatine and the Mandalorian. And then lastly, they also have a variation called a Clip Mini. And so if you're not into the keychain that folds all your keys up into it, this actually has a carabiner on it. So this is very cool, and this is Mandalorian themed as well. Very simple to use. You just put your keys on one side and clip the other to your belt or your bag or whatever it is that you're looking to do with it, and it's a very nice key organizer as well, just like the rest of these products. But you can see here it is just a very simple design, but you see the Mandalorian theming here. Looks great, high quality product. So if I were rating my experience with Orbitkey, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. Like I said, my keys were a mess before, always jingling, always having to fiddle through them to grab the right one. But once I added this in, it did make life a lot easier. It holds them steady in place and is a high quality product. So if you were interested in purchasing any of these Orbitkey products, definitely check out the description below. I do have an affiliate link listed, and it has all the products that I reviewed today listed as well. I will get a small commission on any sales made through those links, but it will not cost you anything extra. So if you are interested in supporting my channel as well as organizing all the keys that are in your pocket right now, definitely check those links out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for Star Wars content daily, and as always, may the Force be with you.